Just woke up from sleeping, and it's a very rainy, overcast, dark morning. It's a very dark, cloudy morning. If you can hear the thunder in the background. Call it a dark and stormy day. A lot of thunder. Phone even recording good, man. A lot of lightning. I think it's sun is way behind the clouds, lightning in the sky. Hope it's not fart lightning. Nothing too serious. There's a show. Looks lightning in the distance. That patch up there is very sun probably being as close. You can hear the thunder. Gonna get a flash of lightning. Gonna get a flash of lightning sometime. Let's catch that part on camera. Birds are out chirping. We can zoom in. It's a blackbird. A local blackbird. Early morning. The sky is brilliant. Look at that, folks. Look at that image. Lightning's coming from that direction. There goes the bird. It's nice, cloudy, overcast morning. Nothing is on the road. Road is thunder, lightning, lightning in the sky. And the roads, don't see any traffic on the road as yet. One walker in the distance. The road. That's the church. Sky. Another bird on the line. So rainy, overcast. Hope everyone is staying safe and doing good. At least saw the report. The country morning. The country is I think the country's borders are going to reopen. Morning. Yes. The country's borders are going to be reopening sometime near month end, which is a very welcome idea, since Barbados is mostly dependent on tourism, and I'm looking very much to be going back to work as I work in the tourist industry, but still awaiting some final details on protocol of re-entry and so on and so forth, and see what the hoteliers have planned and put in place. Look at that lovely sky. Look at that, it's beautiful. So yes, just waiting some final details from the government and the big heads in the ministry and stuff as what protocol there will be for re-entry and for those visitors who wants to come and visit our shores as the pandemic comes to not really a halt, but as it gets a little better in the world, where the pandemic is coming under control. So we anxiously await that. But just showing you a beautiful day in the parish. It's beautiful. It's also quite rainy and overcast. Yes. Blackbird. Hear that thunder, folks? We're gonna get some thunder and lightning today. There's my fiancé. Sorry. The raindrops coming down.
It's gonna be a rainy day in Barbados.
Rainy Saturday morning. Birds are flying away. Time to go back in bed and wrap up. Oh, it's coming out really hard now. It's coming out really hard. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. It's raining in St. Philip. It's a rainy day in Barbados. There goes the Spikestown bus. Had no choice but to be in the safety of my own bedroom. Look at the rain on the outside. Look, I was beating on the glass. It's really hard and windy on the outside. Look at that, folks. Look at the rain falling extremely hard, beating off the window pane. You can hear the sound of the rain. That.
Maybe when I just don't like small bigger everywhere. When I just don't like talking, what back home, back then. When I come back then, back then, you can more safe parental gone. For sure, but current no go to eat my body.
It's beautiful. Look at that clear view of the rain. That's the Ital food cook shop. Lady, you can see the lady in the kitchen. That's the mango tree. You can see some mangoes. Got one mango there swaying in the rain. This is still on the inside. Uh-huh.
But you know,
Still on the inside.
when rain falls,
It's raining.
when rain falls,
Oh, lightning! Wow. It's lightning and thunder.
you know when rain fall in Jamaica, the current gone, you know?
I don't know, man.
Right away. But Barbados is not going.
Thunder and lightning.
But rain fall in Barbados is like not going, you know? So it's just so easy, something that will happen.
So basically, this is just showing you what a rainy morning we're having in Barbados. Normally, you also see a couple monkeys run across the rooftop. Unfortunately, it's snowing today, so it's a beautiful day, beautiful and rainy. You get one more glimpse of the lightning. Oh,
Thanks for watching, everyone. As you can see, outside is very rainy, but I'm about to do some cleaning. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. We love you.